Hello everyone, welcome back to The Legend of Zelda Tears of the Kingdom. So, in the previous video, we mostly had been making our way to Rito Village. So, I have done some off-camera work. As you can see, I now have a horse. I also have done a few shrines, so I do have some extra stamina. See, we're getting pretty close. See, right over there. Okay. See, we just need to head up right there. Okay. Jeez. I don't really like using horses because they're kind of hard to control sometimes. But they are faster than just running, so... Oh, whoa. Oh, jeez, I didn't even see that Octorok. Where'd it come? Okay, now we got some octo balloons. Anyways, let's just continue on. It's just a little further up here. Something that I actually dislike about doing stuff in the Heber region early is that usually you have to deal with cold resistance. Oh, I believe a piece of the frostbite set is nearby. But we'll focus on getting that later. It's a good thing I still have some cold resistant stuff from the beginning. Okay. So... Oh, whoops. Sorry about that. Jeez. See, this is what I mean. It can be really annoying with horses. And here at the Lucky Clover Gazette, let me just grab some flint and some wood. Tracy, our editor is here. Sorry. Getting ready for the Big Princess Zelda investigation. You're here about the newspaper, right? Then we can talk about the what's next in charge. Wait a minute, it's you. I gotta say, Ed, you did a good job getting here to find us. It's quite a hike from Lookout Landing when you haven't gotten wings, but here you are. Was it easy to find this place? Some people passed by without a second look. After all, it was stable until Tracy cheated the previous owner out of it. But you did miss the thing, do you? Not bad at all. I assume you came here for a job. You want to work for the newspaper, right? I thought you're with Tracy. Just picture it, troubling the world as a reporter, shining light on the truth. We'll be partners out there. Hey, quit it. Quiet, sorry. Don't listen to Pin, whatever. I told you I was busy, but you keep bothering me. Another thing, this place was formerly owner. We came to a fair mutual beneficial agreement. Can you stop telling people I cheated him out a bit? I'm sorry, Tracy, but the news applies through the reporter job I wanted to know. You applicant? Hang on. You look like... Hey, could you give me Give this guy... Can you give me and this guy a second here? Alright, how about we give... How about you give me the whole story, Link? I'm the editor for the Lucky Clother Gazette here. If you couldn't tell me, If you couldn't tell me. If you couldn't tell, sorry. So, don't worry. I know everyone's involved in this story. Pura asked me to help dig into what happened to Princess Zelda. Now tell me everything. What exactly brought you here? Interesting. So, why did she ask you to investigate places seriously impacted by the heavily? Well, coming here was a great call. What I mean is getting all the tips from all over Hyrule, so many facts that it's been hard to keep up. And along those tips, we've been hearing about someone who looks like the princess appearing on all sorts of places. I was here the pin to chase those leads, but he could use a partner. I won't tell Pin who you are. It's better if no one knows you're involved. What do you say? You think you can investigate with him? Of course, I wouldn't ask you to do this for free. I thought it would be nice. Wait a second. I'm going to get you a little invention in the back. Inventions in the back. Here we go. Ta-da! The full set of Throggy armor. With this, you can easily climb on wet surfaces with no slipping. You work with Pin to chase down all these new stories, and then I'll give you this armor piece by piece, all yours. Pretty good deal there, Link. Anyway, that's my author. Pin, come back in here. Starting now, this guy is your partner. Well, an editor says here, it looks like you've sized up, right? Dressing knows how to pick them. Alright, you two, here. Here's what you're going to do. Visit every stable through leads. Pin, you'll have this up. Stables bring in people bring in details, and details are what we need now. Get some news. Okay. This is part of a side quest. Again, we were told to do this. But this is very important, because you need to do the side quest to unlock 4 out of the... No, all 4. I mean, I don't know what I said. You need to do this if you want to unlock all 4 of the different great fairies. Okay, this part's going to be a little difficult. Let's see. Okay. Just running through the styling, see. So, I'm gonna grab a pine cone. I only have 1, so I gotta make sure this counts. Are there any more actually around here? Doesn't look like it. Wait, what's this? Oh, it is a pine cone. So if I messed it up, at least I can try again. Oh. Yep, that worked. Okay. Nope, no. Thought there was something under there. I didn't realize it was just water. Yeah, seems like this is... Rito Village is in a lot more trouble than it was when Bob Meadow was around. At least since this is one of the major settlements, cold resistance isn't, like, too bad. Wait, what's this? Oh, I think that's a chest. Do I have anything to make fire with? I do have this. Let's see, is this any use? Actually, it might be. Okay, doesn't seem like that'll actually provide enough damage to be any help. Okay, so we just need to head up a little more from here. And there's a shrine right here, which will be helpful. But first, let me... Yep, right here. I should buy some more cold resistant armor. Okay. I'm here to sell. I'll sell 1 sapphire. A single ruby. Let's see. 2 opals. And I don't think there's really anything else of high value I should sell. Okay. Let's see how much this set is. Okay, this is expensive. Okay. So, 500. Okay, just need 500, so... Okay, I'm sure I'll get more sapphires. Besides, sapphire are, they're like cold. This is like help with like overheating, so they're not very helpful right now. Okay, yep, this will definitely help for getting around. Now let me just get this real quick. And let me guess, Korok? Korok. Okay. Something that I do like that this game did is that, so I played through some of the temples already. Something that I really do like is that you can, in fact, leave the dungeons. You aren't just trapped in them, which is really helpful in case you need to grab something or need to prepare for the boss. Anyways, we just need to head up a little bit more. Of course, if you played Breath of the Wild, you'll already have... I'm sure most people have. And I'm pretty sure it's kind of recommended that you play Breath of the Wild before this. Let's just make some dishes through cold resistance. Okay, that was a bit much. I don't know why I sucked at that by accident. Okay, I think that's enough cooking. I need a headpiece, because I don't have any headpieces for armor. That was pointless. Oh, yep, right here.
That's not fair at all! You know I can handle it! Checking out that huge cloud wouldn't be hard. I could even do it alone. If we don't do anything, the village... Huh? Huh? Is that you? It is you! Link!
Tulin, young rito warrior. Link, they told me that you were missing. It's good to see you doing well. Teba, Rito Welder. It's very nice to see you again. Do you remember my son, Tulin? He's grown taller, though. Perhaps he's not yet grown up. Well, maybe I wouldn't if you didn't treat me like a hatchling all the time. As long as you still think you can take on the whole world by yourself, you'll always be my little chick. What do you think? Sorry. What do you think? I'm already fully fledged, you know. You'll change your tune when I ace up a scoring tip. Something. All you can do is keep wasting my time. I'm treating the Song of Stormwind arc like it's real, but it's not. Listen, you. Unbelievable. Tulin wants me to let him go find what's been causing the blizzard. He's having trouble hearing no. He mentions a song. An old folks sung here in Rito. Long ago, when we faced a different sort of upheaval, the village was saved thanks to a great flying ship. Or so it claims. The song has been passed down through generations. It's a song for children, mind you. Few adults still parrot as if it was true. Still, even now that there's reports of among the Rito of flying ships. Combine that with the blizzard causing up by the upheaving, it seems less far-fetched. Even the song of this Snowwind arc is just a child's rhyme. I suspect that there's something lurking up in the sky, but the air's troubling, so no Rito can fly close to look into it. This is why they say you need to be careful and prepare the truth. But Tulin, he thinks he can plan out the song of. But these Ritos matter. You came here for some purpose, right? What's this? This is terrible news. So then, not even Hyrule Castle is safe? If the princess has disappeared and the strange phenomena around the world are related somehow, we Rito would ordinarily love to contribute to. I can't say it. You know what I mean? To your search, contribute. There we go. That's how you say it. Contribute. Sorry. But this abominable blizzard shows no signs of stopping, and through this grown source, everyone should spare is already out researching for the blizzard or scavenging through. Dang it! My husband hasn't been able to leave the village much since becoming the village elder. I wish there was something I could do. But I'm not the one you want. You should try asking Harth, whatever. My friend Harth has many solutions and information, so he might have already had a lead about Princess Zelda. You see those two bonfires out that way? He's in the lodge near there. If you'd like to visit him, try visiting him. Okay, being as how we're gonna get cold, I should put this on. It's a good thing it at least adds. It has the same level of defense as the climbing set I was using, so that's good. But I need to start, I really need to start getting some rupees, and buying some more armor. These legs are not gonna cut it. Oh, there's an ice boost, bro. That's actually perfect timing, because I could use this stuff. And since he's just ice, all it will take is a single fire through, and he's dead. Sapphire sword. This actually will be not only can that help me with enemies, but it's also if I go to Terrytown, which is an area Link actually helps build in Breath of the Wild, I can use it. I can get somebody to basically unfuse the parts together, so I can sell the sapphire. Oh yeah, that's just a thing that'll pop up all over the place. Basically, with that guy, what you have to do is you have to use supplies, and basically get that sign to stay up on its own, so the guy can get some stuff to fix it, so it'll stay up on its own, like without your help. Oh, sorry. We found these strange materials at the foot of the Hebra Mountain. They're oddly shaped, aren't they? I've done every test, but I haven't learned anything. Not even what they're made of or what they're for. All that I know is that they're pretty heavy and they're pretty sharp. It'll probably hurt someone if you hit someone. I've got all going out of these things. If you want them for some reason, they're all yours. Whoops. Kill shroom. Yep, like most mushrooms, that has an ability, and if you couldn't guess, it gives you heat resistance. Oh, Link, you're all right? I was worried after I heard you had gone missing. What happened? So you're looking for Princess Zelda. Sorry to tell, but I haven't heard anything about her. Our futures are full of dealing with more immediate problems. Everyone in the village has left out to scarce their food or investigate the cause of this terrible blizzard. All that has been heard is by the sky monsters that they seem to be everywhere. We're spread too thin to deal with them properly, on top of everything else. Sorry, bud. I wish I could do more for you. Oh. Though, now that I think of it, maybe Tulin could help. That's right. Sorry, that's right. You weren't around for it, but little Tulin has developed a way with wings, and that has put the adults to shame. Even in this delicious winter, he prevails the skies and reports all kinds of useful information. Oh. His wing gust detecting is something that you can see. None of the rest can pull it off. Even the strange that Teba acknowledges that Tulin's skills are cut above. That kid does pray more. He should at least, but anyways. Well, that's worth asking him at least. Last time I saw him, he was with Gisan and Lisa on a trip to find food. I think that they're on their way to Hebra South Summit Canyon, to the northwest from here. The cave is past the cliff out front and up the mountain of the road. There you should see a bonfire marking the spot. A fire bonfire on the top of the mountain cave, and you'll be on your way to find Tulin. Okay then. Oh, Flint. Old jar. Okay then. I'm not sure what the point of these are, but since I really don't have any, I can take as much of anything. I'll just take them. I mean, I can probably use them to distract an enemy or something. Just like throw it while I'm sneaking around or something. Okay, so we need to head up this way. Unfortunately, since I don't have any snow boots, this is as best as I'll be walking. The snow boots themselves are located in Gerudo Town, but I'm pretty sure I need to complete that place's version of Regional Phenomena first, so I'll probably do Gerudo Town third. So I'm doing Rito Village first, Zora's Domain second, and I just gave you the order anyways. Ice Throat. Which, actually using these might actually be helpful since we're in a cold environment. Oh, wait, this isn't one of the resources I was looking for. Okay, she's just gonna point me to the same area. Okay. Okay, these guys, I don't have to worry about using anything on them. I can just hit them and they'll die. Dang it. Oh, double kill. Okay. Yep, these should be helpful later on. This especially will be helpful, because these can guide arrows. So, I'm not going to use that right now. Okay, if I aim this right. Ow. Okay, that'll help me deal with them. Oh, the towers are there, so... might as well go there. That way I'll actually have a better look around. Ow. Okay. Again? When there's when a fire becomes big enough, it'll create an updraft. In Breath of the Wild, there was a way to make your own updraft. If you set a spicy pepper on fire, it would create its own. But I think, as you saw, basically that the pine cones have become that. Yeah, seems like I need to burn all these thorns away. Okay. I already have a few towers unlocked, so this will be helpful. Okay, so I'm assuming it's by this shrine area. Either way, it's better to get this shrine since I'm right here. Oh, yep, right there. Oh, jeez. Well, we're here, so... But, anyways, sorry about that. Anyways, I'd like to thank you all for watching this video. I hope you've all enjoyed it. I hope you like and subscribe, and have a great day.